Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can share your Capcut template on TikTok. So without further ado, let's begin. So now to start, open your Capcut app. And then after creating a video, you can see at the top there is a download button. Just tap on that. So we need to first download your video or your template. Now just wait to export your video. You also want to make sure that you have a good internet connection so that you can easily share your video or your template to TikTok. Now after exporting or downloading your video, just tap on Share to TikTok. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.